Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's keep up with our Bitcoin analysis. Yesterday indeed market has shown the upward reaction as we discussed in our video, because currently price stands at really strong support. This is combination also provides us directional pattern. It's called as a stretch by the Judd Napoli, because as you can see on the daily, this is confidence support of the major levels on the daily chart. So actually from this low to this top, 30% support stands here. 618 comes from this low to this top and coincides with the same area. So market recently has hit this area, and it's a really strong area. At the same time, you can see market stands at oversold, and that was the really deadly combination for the bulls. For the bears, of the just real strength of the support here. So it's oversold with the confidence. And that just gives us no choice but to follow the odds, and we said that pullback here should happen. On the daily chart in general, guys, we are waiting for some type of the ABCD pattern. Currently it's still unclear in what shape this will be. For example, it could be something of that sort. Right from here, it's minor pullback, maybe market will proceed higher from this level. Or market will complete some minor target first by the dropping to the downside a bit more, completion this first leg, as we expect it should be somewhere around there. So 89, 90 even in this level. Then the major pullback will start. And after that, we will get downside continuation from some level after retracement. It's still unclear yet in what shape this retracement will be, but that is definitely should be kind of the ABCD pattern. That's our medium-term scenario on the daily and weekly chart, and we think that this should provide us the strategic point for taking investing position in the Bitcoin market that you could keep through the years, maybe at least through the new spiral of the bullish market if it will follow. That's what we are watching for currently. And the major question is what this action is, whether it's a reaction on the support or this is something greater. My suggestion, guys, is that this is mostly indeed reaction on the support. Why? Because previously we mentioned that on this move down, market has broken through some important strong intraday support. This was also confidence areas around the daily oversold, but standing on the intraday chart. Particularly speaking, it was with the 30% support of this most recent swing, and it has been broken here on the way down. Right, it has followed. It means that significant bearish power stands beyond the market, and it's not just some pullback, gradual pullback before the upward continuation, because the sell-off on the market right now stands strong, and this pullback stands mostly due stronger support area. So it's not on this time, not the intraday, but on the daily chart, and it's accompanied with the oversold. And I think that's mostly reaction on this area, which makes me think that we could get some downward continuation to the level that we discussed yesterday. Particularly speaking, we have incompleted A, B, C top with purple letters with OP around 88.75. It's our major target. And yesterday we said that once reaction on this support will be over, market could follow downside with the 1618 extension of the butterfly and reaching of the OP targets coincides with the same area. As I suggest, this should be our first leg down, right to the OP. Then retracement on the daily chart should start, it will be extended, and after that we should get the second leg. That should lead us to particular 70 even, 69, so an area that we have discussed and I talked about every time when we talk about the Bitcoin market. That in short what we're watching for. On the daily chart, as a result, we could wait, for example, for completion of the harmonic swing, as here market right now stands in confluence resistance here on the hourly chart. Reaction stands very gradual, and in fact we do not have some clear extensions. We don't have kind of the clear A, B, C, D pattern or something of that sort. It's just gradual upside retracement stands near the confluence resistance. Potentially we could get Gartley's triple to Gartley's free drive. For example, it could look like here. This for first and second drive, retracement here. It will be completed either at this point, or maybe market will climb to this level to complete the harmonic swing, and then it could be somewhere right here as well. So here market maybe drop a bit further to complete the target on the 4-hour time frame chart. Right here. First drive, second drive, this will be third drive. That's possible scenarios that we could get. In what particular manner this will happen, well, it's difficult to say, but in fact we do not consider right now the taking any short position in Bitcoin market. We're just monitoring the retracement to get the clear points where we could go long, and to get the clear shape of the retracement. Yesterday, yes, it was a chance to go long. We have talked about it just because of the really strong combination of the factors. In fact, we have this directional patterns yesterday. But right now, it's not as important as it was yesterday. And currently, you could just watch for completion of these patterns. At this point, maybe it makes sense to take the long position. We need to see what will happen. But currently, we have approximately the trading plan as we just have described. So let's see what will follow.